We have here a 1990 Van Dura box truck, very good condition, runs good, starts up every time. 14-foot box, 150,000 miles, 149 and some change actually. Used for landscaping, but I can't use it for landscaping anymore because I have terrible allergies that keep me out of the business. So my loss, share gain. Comes with lock. Lawn equipment that you see is not included. The ramps are included, however. They're about 120 pounds a piece. Good for heavy tractor equipment, zero turns, whatever you have to put in here. Good box though, clean box. Lock it back up. One key fits all. Fits the door, fits the ignition. Very simple. Starts right up, as you can see. 146,267 on the miles. 146,267 on the miles. Basic utility truck. Good to go, runs good. 350 engine. 350 V8. New battery. Battery charge is good from the alternator. Runs strong, runs clean. I love the truck. And that's it.